Hello everybody, this is going to be a video demonstration on how to make a video and upload it to Canvas. So we will be practicing our speaking here. So the easiest way is to download the app Canvas, okay, on your phone or iPad or tablet. Once you download and you log in, you should be able to see your courses. So the first thing you will do is go to our class ESLL 31 for listening. And then when the assignment is open, I like to find the assignments by going to modules. And once you're in modules, you want to complete an assignment, you will go to the assignment that you would like to submit. And in our case, it will be the reply button here. So you're going to submit your reply. You don't have to be on video for these exercises. You can. I do recommend it just so that you can listen and see yourself on video and listen to your pronunciation, right? And it's going to help you be more confident speaking. But when you do your assignment, when they are assigned, you go to add message here. And once you press the body area for add message, your keyboard should come up. And if you just move this bar right here, you have the option for a camera. And so pressing that will load your camera. And from here, you can make a video and record. Okay. And once recording is finished, you will press use video, and just like that you will be able to send the video. Okay, hopefully this helps. This was just a short demonstration. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.